Here on my model, I have a broken bracket in the front, and you can tell that it's broken because it slides back and forth across the wire, and sometimes it spins around. So if you ever see a bracket that slides across on your wire, the first thing that you should do is give us a call and let us know so that we can get you in for a repair appointment to have that fixed. And in the meantime, what you can do is take some wax if you want to stabilize that bracket and keep it from spinning, and just place that wax over the whole bracket to keep it from moving around. If the wax isn't good for you, or if it's not working, something else that you can do is try and take that bracket off of the wire. And so here I have a model of what a bracket looks like. Each bracket has a door, and all you would have to do to take that bracket off the wire is to open up that door and then slip it off. Just make sure that you bring the bracket with you, so place it in a baggie and bring it to your appointment to have it repaired. Okay? Now sometimes what will happen is you've got a wire that sticks out in the back. Now if that happens, the first thing you should do is to check and see if your wire has slid. So you can see here on the side that the wire is sticking out of that last bracket. But on the other side, the wire does not go through the last bracket. So if that happens, get some tweezers and just slide the wire back through. And back through that last bracket so that it doesn't stick on either side. Okay? Now if that doesn't work, let's say that your wire is sticking on both sides. What you can try and do is get some wax and place wax over that whole wire, and that will help to smooth it off. Attach it also to the bracket to keep that wire from sticking, and then give us a call so we can have that wire clipped for you. Now if the wax doesn't work and you can't come in for an appointment to have it clipped, and it's an emergency, you've got to get that wire cut because it's digging into your cheek, then what you can do is clip it with a pair of wire cutters. Just take your wire cutters close to the edge of that last bracket and clip the wire. Okay, so that the wire is not sticking anymore.